Hello everyone, I am Anshika Upadhyay, studying in class 8 from JNV Palghar, and today I am going to tell you about my project that I have made. The name of the project is Earthquake Alarm. Uh, I have made a model on earthquake alarm systems. Basically, earthquakes are often occurring in the village area as well as cities, and there is an earthquake warning system in many developed cities and villages. But in some villages where these systems are not available, so I have made this model for those villages only, where the people can use this beneficial and affordable system, and they can also make this type of model for the use. And this is a very easy method project, and this system is usually used in many of the countries and areas such as Mexico, Japan, etc. So I'm going to tell you about my project now. In this project, I have installed a LED, a switch on off button, and battery, and a connector, and some metal wires. And here is a big safety pin, and here is a screw nut bolt type. This is a base of a cardboard, and this is a standing base of cardboard, and here I have tucked a cardboard here to support this type of metal wire to move this nut bolt. Here I have installed a safety pin, and I have hold a hole here to pass out the wire in this, and now from this hole this wire will go through this hole, and here I have tucked it with the nut bolt. This is the posture, and here is the safety pin, and I have stick this metal wire in the safety pin, and this metal wire goes directly to the positive wire of the connector, and the negative wire of the connector goes in the switch off on button, and the negative wire of the LED goes to the switch off on button, and the positive wire will go directly upward to this wire that is connected to the nut bolt. Okay, this is the circuit system. When I connect this connector to the battery and switch on the button, and when the button will and when the nut bolt will move now, and it will touch the pin, the wire will touch the pin, the LED will glow and will give the signal of that earthquake is going to occur in that area. Basically we can use here the buzzer also, because I did not get the buzzer in the market, so I have put here is the LED. So you can also use the LED and buzzer both in that, and this will give a signal also and a sound also to those who are living in the villages and get prepared for the earthquake. This is all about my project. I have choose this project to make because I wanted to inform more about the rural area systems to my age students for making these systems better, more better and innovative. I found difficult in the buzzer installation while making this project. I replaced the buzzer with the LED because I did not get the buzzer in the market. Yes, I will add buzzer with LED, and I will give a shape to the project like a machine type if I get time. Thank you so much for watching this video.